What's up, squad? So today we are outdoors. We are going to check out one of our local sneaker shops here in the Baltimore area, one that we haven't hit before, and a sneaker premiere here on the east side of Baltimore on Harper Road. Check them out if you're in town. Let's see what they got. Let's check out what kind of heat they have in store. They got a lot of stuff. This is tough.
Y'all notice anything? Oh, this is something I've never seen before. Is this Air Jordan tag right here? See how it looks different from the wings?
Yeah, it's totally different.
Never seen that before. This is 5, man. Or the 11.
Yep.
These are nice. Or they 12.
No, I'm sorry, they are 12s.
Yeah, 4 to 12s. Yeah, these are nice. I'm not like these.
Classic mochas.
Yeah.
This is what your dad said I might like.
Yep, I was just showing her those online.
I don't like that style of shoe though.
She look like 4s.
The mochas, those were, I remember those were hype, man. It
See?
was, everybody was trying to get them.
Yeah, now the price done gone up on them. I mean, these are used at $420. These Kobe 9s, those Vapor Max. No, they are Vapor Max Tune Air. Yeah. These are Kobe Magnolia. These are like the Louisiana Mardi Gras like thing. Kobe 9s. Super high though. High top, you know?
Right, they are high.
Handcrafted. See, they're like a bespoke shoe with all the stitching. $50. Anybody know what's going on here?
That's only $50. It's different for these
This
shoes.
is different. Well, this is Alexander Wang. It's like a snow boot. It's Adidas. $220. These ones are like the McDonald's color. I couldn't quite get with these. They did these for the McDonald's All-American game and all. But that reddish, pinkish wasn't my jam. These are some all velvet SB highs. If you know what these are. Wow. Let me know down in the comments.
Would you wear that?
Would I wear a totally velvet shoe? Maybe the different colorway. I'm not a big fan of this. Kind of cherry jam going on, strawberry jam, but I would with enough protectant on it to make sure it doesn't get messed up. Royal toes. These are fire. Royal toe ones. These are 11 and a half. $320.
Now you see on the wall, they got the Fear of God shoes. Those are awesome to me. They were like mad futuristic. Upper left corner right there. These are beautiful. You could just wear those with like some Nike sweats, you know what I'm saying? Something simple. I like the simplicity of it, but it's also real nice.
What you got?
If you ask me right now if I could have any shoe, like, that's not like $10,000, $1 million, I'll probably say either those off-white Converse or the black Bapestas, the Air Force One style. Those two shoes, I need. I keep saying that.
Where did Bapesta love come from? That was like out of the blue.
It was just like listening to artists that like always wear archive fashion and stuff like that. And then like, I don't know, I guess it just like evolved.
It grew on you?
Yeah. Here's a suggestion for you guys going into the summer. Get yourself a pair of Yeezy slides because they are really like a perfect all-around shoe for the summer. If you're going to an amusement park, you can put them on. Chilling at somebody's house for the summer, you can put them on, you know what I'm saying? Yeezy slides really it for the summer. Speaking of, Mommy C got the Yeezy sleazies on right now. How they feel, Mom?
so comfortable. This
So
is my
comfortable.
most comfortable shoe.
For sure. And I like the fit too, Mama C. Not gonna lie, I would definitely rock this combo right here. I love New York beanie with the, what's that called, sweater. I like this. That's called Sesame Street. This is cool. They got something nice, like all the cases down here. They got some tough stuff. They got the, it's like the Cactus Jack ones right here. I love these. Then you go a little bit further, we got the big case. The little Supreme teddy bear. It's cool. Supreme. Supreme. I can't read it from this angle.
Supreme established 1994.
Oh, that too. Then we got this, which is, I need this. I need this whole case right here. I just want to. And then, Mom, gonna got a little something for you, Mom.
Oh.
You want some heels? Yeah.
It's out of the blue. I'll take a pair.
What's that? Christian Louboutin.
Louis Vuitton.
Does it have anything to do with Louis Vuitton?
Nope.
Louis Vuitton is different.
Right. Louis Vuitton is the red bottom. Check the bottoms.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, so as you can see, there's a ton of heat in this store, but do us a favor, make sure you always do what?
Make sure you always ring that notifications bell, get it ringing, because we dropping new heats all the time, so you should be the first person to peep it.
I love these, man. They're just so high.
You gotta take them, put them on like.
I like that. Yeah, we definitely loosen these laces up, though.
Sure.
Unless you about to strap it up and get on the court, like Kobe. Anyway, tons of heat, man, in the local stores. Definitely go out and support your local reseller shops.
Sure.
Because, you know, there's a lot of people bringing stuff in here, getting rid of some heat. You can find some deals. You just, you know, hold out and do some digging.